Hi friends, today let us see another important topic in CSAT, average. What do you mean by average? Average is nothing but the sum of all the items divided by the total number of items. Let us take, there are 10 students in class 7th A and you have to find the average weight of all the students in class 7th A. To find the average weight, you have to add the individual weights of all the students and divide them by 10. Totally there are 10 students, right? So we are dividing the total weight of the students by 10. By calculating like this, we can easily get the average weight of the students in class 7th A. Let us take this data as an example. On 17th and 18th December, we had extremely heavy rainfall in our district. So this data was released by our district administration. If you see this table, they have recorded the measurement of rainfall from different rain gauge stations. In the last row, they have calculated the average rainfall of different timings. In this, let us take this column as an example. Up to 6:30 p.m. on 17th December, the rainfall readings were like this. If you add all these readings, you will get the total rainfall level as 4604.60 mm. Rainfall level will be measured in millimeter. So to find the average rainfall up to 6:30 p.m. on 17th December, the district administration has divided 4604.60 mm by 18. Totally, there are 18 rain gauge stations, so they are dividing 4604.60 by 18. And they have come up with the data that on 17th December up to 6:30 p.m. Tirunelveli district had 255.81 mm of average rainfall during Northeast Monsoon 2023. So what do you understand from this? Average is not only important in CSAT, it is important even after you get into the service. I think this example has given you some idea about average. Now let us solve the previous year questions related to average. Question number 1. The average weight of ABC is 40 kg. The average weight of BDE is 42 kg and the weight of F is equal to that of B. What is the average weight of A, B, C, D, E and F? First, let us write the data they have given in the question. Average weight of A, B, C is equal to 40. So we can write this as A plus B plus C divided by 3 is equal to 40. Next, the average weight of BDE is 42 kg. So average weight of BDE is equal to 42. Similarly, we can write this as B plus D plus E divided by 3 is equal to 42. The weight of F is equal to that of B. So the weight of F is equal to B. So according to the question, F is equal to B. So we can write this as D plus E plus F divided by 3 is equal to 42, right? To find the average weight of A, B, C, D, E and F, average weight of A, B, C, D, E and F is equal to A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F divided by, totally there are 6 numbers, so divided by 6. To find the average weight, first we should know the total weight of A plus B plus C. To know the total weight of ABC, we can simply cross multiply this. So the total weight of ABC is 120 plus DEF, total weight of DEF, again you have to cross multiply 42 into 3. You will get 126 divided by 6. Adding 120 and 126, you will get divided by 6. $41. So the average weight of A, B, C, D, E and F is equal to 41 kg. Option C, 41 kg is the right answer. Yes, option C, 41 kg is the right answer. So did you understand? To find the average weight of A, B, C, D, E and F, the formula is A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F divided by 6. So first, to find the average weight of A, B, C, D, E and F, we should know the total weight of ABC. To find the total weight of ABC, we can just cross multiply 40 into 3. So we are getting 120. To find the total weight of BDE, we are again cross multiplying 42 into 3 and we are getting 126. Adding 120 and 126, we are getting 246 by 6. So after dividing 246 by 6, we are getting 41 kg. Right? Question 2. A family has 2 children along with their parents. The average weights of the children and their mother is 50 kg. The average of the weights of the children and their father is 52 kg. If the weight of the father is 60 kg, then what is the weight of the mother? So we have to find the weight of the mother. So there are 4 members in the family, 2 children and their parents. So let us take this children as X and Y. The average weights of the children and their mother is 50 kg. Average weight of X plus Y plus, let us take mother as M, is equal to 50. We can write this as X plus Y plus M divided by 3 is equal to 50. Right? The average of the weights of the children and their father is 52 kg. So average weight of X plus Y plus, we are taking father as F and mother as M. So X plus Y plus F is equal to 52 kg. 52. We can write this as x plus y plus f divided by 3 is equal to 52. If the weight of the father is 60 kg, the weight of father is equal to 16. We have to find the weight of mother. To find the weight of mother, see in the question, they have given the average weight of children and mother and children and the father, and then they have given the weight of father, right? Let us substitute the value of f in this equation and get the value of x plus y. Then after getting the value of x plus y, we will substitute the value here and then get the value of m. So let us simplify this and this. X plus y plus m is equal to 15 to 3, which is equal to 115. Similarly, x plus y plus f is equal to 52 into 3, that is 156, right? Now we have to substitute the value of f here. X plus y plus 60 is equal to 156. So x plus y is equal to, so taking this 60 here, it will become 156 plus 60 will become minus 60. So x plus y is equal to 156 minus 60 is equal to 96, right? Now we will substitute the x plus y here. X plus y plus m is equal to 150. We know x plus y is equal to 96 plus m is equal to 150. M is equal to 150 plus 96 will become minus 96. So m is equal to 150 minus 96 is equal to 54. So the weight of mother is equal to 54 kg. That is option D. Now let us check the answer. Yes, option D is the right answer. Question 3. Suppose the average weight of 9 persons is 50 kg. The average weight of the first 5 persons is 45 kg, whereas the average weight of the last 5 persons is 55 kg. Then the weight of the fifth person will be, we have to find that. So there are 9 persons here. The average weight of the 9 persons is 50 kg. Before that, let us name them as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and I. The average weight of the 9 persons is 50 kg. The average weight of the first 5 persons is 45 kg. So the average weight of first 5 persons is 45 kg. whereas the average weight of the last 5 persons is 55 kg. So the last 5 person means E will be included here also. 55 kg. Now we have to find the weight of the fifth person, that is E. We have to find the weight of E. The average weight of 9 persons, that is average weight of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and I. So we can write this as A plus B plus C plus D, F, I divided by 9 is equal to 50. The average weight of first 5 persons, average weight of first 5, A plus B plus C plus D plus E divided by 5 is equal to 45. Similarly, the weight of average weight of last 5 persons is average weight of E, F, G, H and I divided by 5 is equal to 55. Now we have to find the value of, that is the weight of E. We can write this as A plus B plus C plus D plus E, F, G, H plus I is equal to, cross multiply this, 50 into 9, 450. So let us take this as equation 1. Simplify this. A plus B plus C plus D plus E is equal to 45 into 5, cross multiplying 45 into 5, 225. So let us take this as equation 2. Simplify this. E plus F plus G plus H plus I is equal to, cross multiply 55 into 5 is equal to 275. This is equation 3. We have to find the weight of E, right? If you see this equation, here they have given the total weight. The total weight of 9 persons is equal to 450. Here the total weight of 5 persons, see here they have included E and here also they have included E, right? So to find the weight of E, what we have to do, first we will add this and this, that is equation 2 and 3. So by adding 2 and 3, $225 plus 275 is equal to 500. Now we will subtract it with 1, equation 1. So here the total weight is 450. Let us take this as equation 4. 500 minus 450 is equal to 50 kg, right? See, first we are getting the total weight of all the 9 persons as 450 kg. After that, we are calculating the total weight of A, B, C, D, E and getting some value here. And then we are calculating the total weight of last 5 persons and we are getting the total value as 275. See here, E is calculated twice. So if we add equation 3 and equation 4, if we add equation 2 and equation 3, we will get some value, right? Then we are subtracting this value with the total weight. So like this we are getting the weight of E, that is 50 kg. Now let us check the answer. Yes, option C, that is 50 kg is the right answer. Question 4. The average marks of 100 students are given to be 40. It was found later that marks of one student were 53, which were misread as 83. The correct mean marks are, so mean is nothing but average, right? So totally there are 100 students and their average mark is 40. So instead of 53, they misread the mark as 83. Now we have to find the actual average mark. Average marks of 100 students. Is equal to 40. So let us take this 100 students as S1 plus S2 and so on to S100 divided by 100 is equal to 40. So to find the actual average mark, now we are going to follow a simple step. First we will find the actual total mark. Total mark is equal to, total marks is equal to, cross multiply 100 into 40, we will get 4000, right? This is the total marks of 100 students. So instead of 53, they misread as 83. Now we will subtract 83. 3917, right? So we have excluded the incorrect mark. Now let us add the correct mark. So 3917 plus actual mark is 53, right? So 3917 plus 53 is equal to 3970. So this is the actual total mark. So actual total marks is equal to 3970. Now we have to find the corrected average marks. So actual average marks of 100 students is equal to 3970 divided by 100. 39.70. So the corrected average marks is 39.7. So option B. Yes, option B is the right answer. Question 5. A student on her first three tests received an average score of n points. If she exceeds her previous average score by 20 points on her fourth test, then what is the average score of the first four tests? So in the question they have given the average score of first three tests as n points, and in her fourth test she is exceeding 20 points from her previous score. Now we have to find the average score of the first four tests. Average score of first three tests. Take this as T1 plus T2 plus T3 divided by 3 is equal to n. In your fourth test, the average score is average score in the fourth test T4 is equal to n plus 20, right? She is exceeding 20 marks from her previous average score. So n plus 20. Now we have to find the average score of the first four tests. Average score in first four. To find the average score in the first four tests, T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 by 4, this is unknown. T1 plus T2 plus T3 is equal to, cross multiply this, 3n. Similarly, T4 is equal to n plus 20. So we can substitute this value here. T1 plus T2 plus T3 is equal to 3n plus T4 is equal to n plus 20 divided by 4. 3n plus n is equal to 4n plus 20 divided by 4. 5. So the average score in first four tests is equal to n plus 5. So n plus 5 is the right answer. Yes, n plus 5, that is option D is the right answer. Question 6. The average rainfall in a city for the first 4 days was recorded to be 0.40 inch. Here they are calculating the average rainfall in inch. The rainfall on the last 2 days was in the ratio of 4:3. The average of 6 days was 0.50 inch. What was the rainfall on the 5th day? So totally there are 6 days, right? 4 plus 2. So let us take the days as D1, D2, D3, D4, D5 and D6. The average rainfall in a city for the first 4 days. So D1 plus D2 plus D3 plus D4 divided by 4 is equal to 0.40. The rainfall on the last 2 days was in the ratio of 4:3. So here they have given the rainfall level in the format of ratio. So D5 is to D6 is equal to 4:3. See, this 4:3 could be 8:6 or 12:9 or 16:12, etc. Right? So we can write this as 4x and 3x. See, we will see this in ratio and proportion class. Now just understand, we are taking 4:3 as 4x and 3x. The average of the 6 days was 0.50 inch. So D1 plus D2 plus D3 plus D4 plus D5 plus D6 divided by 6 is equal to 0.50. We have to find the rainfall on the 5th day. So D1 plus D2 plus D3 plus D4 is equal to, let us cross multiply this, 0.40 into 4 plus D5 plus D6 is equal to 4x plus 3x divided by 6 is equal to 0.50. So 0.40 into 4 is equal to 1.6 plus 4x plus 3x is equal to 7x divided by 6 is equal to 0.50. Let us simplify this. 1.6 plus 7x is equal to, cross multiply this, 0.50 into 6 we will get 3. So 7x is equal to 3 minus, let us take 1.6 here, 3 minus 1.6, so 7x is equal to 1.4, therefore x is equal to 1.4 by 7, which is equal to 0.2. So now we have the value of x. We have to find the rainfall on 5th day. So D5 is equal to 3x, sorry 4x, right? So D5 is equal to 4x, 4 into, we know the value of x, which is equal to 0.2, we'll get 0.8 inch. So therefore D5, that is the rainfall on the 5th day, is equal to 0.8 inch. See, 0.80 inch. Yes, option C, 0.80 inch is the right answer. Question 7. The average score of a batsman after his 50th innings was 46.4. After 60th innings, his average score increases by 2.6. What was his average score in the last 10 innings? The average score of a batsman after his 50th innings is 46.4, right? So we can write that as, let us take the innings as x, x1 plus x2 and so on to x50 divided by 50 is equal to 46.4. After 60th innings, his average score increases by 2.6. So after 60th innings, that is x1 plus x2 so on to x60 divided by 60 is equal to, it is increasing by 2.6, right? So we can write that as 46.4 plus 2.6, which is equal to 49. Now we have to find the average score in the last 10 innings. To find that, first we will find the total score in the first 50 innings, and then we will find the total score in the first 60 innings. Then we will subtract this and this. We will get the total score in the last 10 innings, right? After that we will calculate the average. So first let us find the total score in the first 50 innings. x1 plus x2 till 50th innings. The total score is 46.4 into 50, 2320. Similarly, the total score in the first 60 innings is x1 plus x2 till 60th innings is 60 into 49 is 2940. So total score in the last 10 innings is equal to, we will subtract this and this, 2940 minus 2320, which is equal to 620. Now we can find the average score in the last 10 innings. Is equal to 620 by 10 is equal to 62. So this is the average score in the last 10 innings, 62. Option C, 62. Yes, option C is the right answer. First we are finding the total score in the first 50 innings, and then we are finding the total score in the first 60 innings. So subtracting this and this, we will get the score in the last 10 innings, right? Total score in the last 10 innings. With that, we are finding the average score. Question 8. The average monthly income of a person in a certain family of 5 is rupees 10,000. What will be the average monthly income of a person in the same family if the income of one person increased by rupees 1,20,000 per year? Here also we can take persons as x, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 divided by 5 is equal to 10,000. One person's income is increasing by rupees 1,20,000 per year. See, here they have given monthly average income and here they have given per year. So yearly income is increasing by rupees 1,20,000 per year. So we will convert that for a month. So 1,20,000 divided by 12, we will get 10,000 rupees, 10,000. So one person's income is increasing 10,000 per month, and we have to find new average monthly income. First, we will find the total income of their family for a month. To find that, we can just cross multiply this and this. So total monthly income x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 is equal to 50,000. So this is their total monthly income. In that, rupees 10,000 is increased for a person. So new monthly income of that family is equal to 50,000 plus 10,000 is equal to 60,000 per month. Now we have to find new average monthly income. Which is equal to 60,000 by, so totally there are 5 members, right? So 60,000 by 5, that is 12,000 per month. So their average monthly income is rupees 12,000. So option A, yes, option A is the right answer. Question 9. In a class, there are 3 groups A, B and C. If one student from group A and 2 students from group B are shifted to group C, then what happens to the average weight of the students of the class? Read this question carefully. In a class, there are 3 groups A, B and C. In that, one student from group A and 2 students from group B are shifted to group C. Now they are asking what will happen to the average weight of the students of the class. This is just a basic question. We can solve this with the basic understanding of the average concept. See, let us take group A, group B and group C. See, let us take there are 5 students in all the 3 groups. In group C also there are 5 students. Right? If one student from group A and 2 students from group B are shifted to group C, First, let us move one student from group A to group C. So this one student is coming here, and two students from group B. So these two students are coming to group C. What will happen to the average weight of the students of the class? It just remains the same. Why? We are just moving the students inside the class to the various groups, right? We are not moving them to out of the class. If we move them out of the class, then the average weight of the class will be disturbed. Now we are just moving the students inside the class, right? See, we are just shifting them inside the class. So option C, it remains the same, is the right answer. Let us check it. Yes, option C is the right answer, right? Using just basic concept of this average, we can answer this question. See, this question was asked in 2020. Question 10. There are two classes A and B having 25 and 30 students respectively. In class A, the highest score is 21 and the lowest score is 17. In class B, highest score is 30 and lowest score is 22. 4 students are shifted from class A to class B. Consider the following statements. So there are two classes, class A and class B. Highest score and lowest score. In class A, there are 25 students, and class B, there are 30 students. In class A, the highest score is 21 and the lowest score is 17. So the remaining students must have scored in between this. Similarly, the highest score of class B is 30 and the lowest score is 22. So the remaining students must have scored in between 30 and 22. Right? 4 students are shifted from class A to class B. Then the average score of class B will definitely decrease. See, when you compare class A and class B, we can, just by looking at these information, we can tell that class B is highest performing class and class A is lowest performing. Now they are shifting 4 students from class A to class B. The average score of class B will decrease. How? So let us take one example. In class A, let us take there are 5 students, right? Their scores are 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. In class B also, there are 5 students and their scores are 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. See, this is just an example to explain this question. So they are asking you to find the average score, right? The average score. Now let us find the average score of class A. If you add all these things, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, we will get 35. So to find the average score, we will divide 35 by 5. We will get 7. So 7 is the average score of class A. Similarly, to find the average score of class B, add all these things, we will get 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14, 60 by 5 is equal to 12. See, now the average score of class A and class B, if you compare the average score of class A and class B, as I said, B is the highest performing class and class A is the lowest performing class. Now let us move any two students from class A to class B. So let us take these two students, 8 and 9. So here we have to add 8 and 9 also. If you add 8 and 9, the total marks of class B will become 77. See, now totally there are 7 students, right? So 77 divided by 7, which will become 11. The average score of class B has decreased from 12, now it has become 11. So the average score of class B will definitely decrease, right? So the statement 1 is correct. The average score of class A will definitely increase. Check the average score of class A. Now 3 students are remaining in class A. Add 5, 6 and 7. 18 divided by 3, 6. It has further decreased, right? From 7 it has decreased to 6. But the statement says the average score of class A will definitely increase. No, it is decreasing. So statement 2 is wrong. Which of the above statements is or are correct? Option A, 1 only. Option A, yes. Option A is the correct answer. Question 11. Consider the following table. So they have given the table and they are asking you to find fastest run scorer in the test match. So there are 4 players, A, B, C and D. They have given runs scored in the first innings, balls faced in the first innings, runs scored in the second innings and balls faced in the second innings. Now let us calculate this. To find the fastest run scorer, we have to find their total runs and the number of balls faced. So total runs and total number of balls faced. Okay. So player A, his runs are 61 and 14. 61 plus 14. Player B, 5 plus 50. 15 plus 20. 13 plus 12. Total number of balls faced is 99 plus 76. 99 plus 76. 12 plus 85. 75 plus 50. 55 plus 50. Now let us calculate the total runs and total number of balls faced. (61 plus 14 is equal to 75). 99 plus 76 is equal to 175. 55, 12 plus 85 is 97. 15 plus 20 is equal to 35. 75 plus 50 is equal to 125. 13 plus 12 is 25. And here it is 105. To find the fastest run scorer, we have to divide total runs by total number of balls faced, right? So A is equal to player B 55 by 97. C is equal to 35 by 125. And D is equal to 25 by 105. See, before dividing this, just look at these fractions. A is equal to 75 by 175, B is equal to 55 by 97, C is equal to 35 by 125, and D is equal to 25 by 105. Now we have to find fastest run scorer. For that, one should have faced less number of balls and scored highest runs, right? So according to that, if you see, C has faced 125 balls and has scored only 35 runs. So C is not the fastest run scorer. Similarly, D has faced 105 balls and has scored just 25 runs. So D is also not the fastest run scorer. A has faced 175 balls and scored 75 runs. Among the four, A has faced more number of balls, so we cannot tell A is also the fastest run scorer. So we can tell B is the fastest run scorer, right? Even if you divide this 0.428, 55 by 97 is equal to 0.567. 35 by 125 is equal to 0.280. 25 by 105 is equal to 0.238. Now tell, who is the fastest run scorer? B is the fastest run scorer, right? So option B, that is player B is the fastest run scorer. Now let us check the answer. Yes, option B is the right answer. B is the fastest run scorer. Question 12. See, this question is a difficult question. So they have given average marks in English and average marks in Hindi of boys and girls. And then they have given overall average marks in English, and they are asking you to find the value of X, that is overall average marks in Hindi of boys and girls. To find the total marks, we need the number of boys and girls, right? But here they have not given the number of boys and girls. So let us take number of boys is equal to, see, we need to find the value of X, right? So we can take number of boys is equal to first they have given girls, right? So we will take girls. Number of girls is equal to P and number of boys is equal to Q, right? We will divide this into two. English and Hindi. So B1 so we do not know the so G1 plus G2 and so on plus GP divided by P is equal to 9. Similarly for boys, B1 plus B2 and so on to BQ divided by Q is equal to 8. To find the total score, we have to add this and this, that is G1 plus G2 plus GP plus B1 plus B2 plus so on to BQ divided by P plus Q is equal to 8.8. So this is the average mark, right? To find the total score, we have to just cross multiply this and this. First we will substitute the value of this and this. So G1 plus G2 plus and so on to GP is equal to 9P plus B1 plus B2 plus so on to BQ is equal to 8Q divided by P plus Q is equal to 8.8. Now to find the total score, we can cross multiply this and this. 9P plus 8Q is equal to 8.8 P plus 8.8 Q. So we will take P on one side and Q on another side. 9P minus 8.8P is equal to 8.8Q minus 8Q. 0.2P is equal to 0.8Q. So we can cut this 1 and 4. P is equal to 4Q. So number of girls is equal to 4 times the number of boys. Now we have got the number of boys and girls. For Hindi, G1 plus G2 and so on till GP divided by P is equal to 8. For boys, B1 plus B2, and so on till, BQ divided by Q is equal to 7. To find the average, we can write G1 plus G2 and so on plus GP plus B1 plus B2 and so on till BQ divided by P plus Q is equal to X. See, they have given X, right? Now we need to find the value of X. We can substitute the value of G1 plus G2 till GP. Just cross multiply 8P plus 7Q divided by P plus Q is equal to X. So we know the value of P, right? P is equal to 4Q. Substitute this 8 into 4Q plus 7Q divided by, so here also P plus Q, that is 4Q plus Q. So 8 4s are 32. 32Q plus 7Q divided by 4Q plus Q is equal to X. 32 plus 7, which is equal to 39Q divided by 4Q plus Q, 5Q is equal to X. So we can cut this Q and Q, and if you divide 39 by 5, we will get 7.8. So X is equal to 7.8. So we have got X is equal to 7.8. Option A, let us check that. Yes, option A is the right answer. The last question, question number 13. There are 13 two-digit consecutive odd numbers. If 39 is the mean of first 5 such numbers, then what is the mean of all the 13 numbers? See, as I said, mean is nothing but average right? So there are 13 two-digit consecutive odd numbers. Let us take there are 13, 1, 2, 3. And 13. So there are 13 two-digit consecutive numbers. Consecutive is nothing but continuous numbers, right? Continuous odd numbers. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and it goes like that, right? So two-digit consecutive numbers are there, and if 39 is the mean of first 5 such numbers, so 39 is the mean of first 5 such numbers. So now we can tell that here 37 will be there, 35, 41, 43, 45, 47, 49, 51, 53, 55, 57 and 59, right? Now they are asking you to find the average of all the 30 numbers. See, that's a trick to solve this question. A very simple trick. For consecutive numbers, For consecutive numbers, if odd numbers are given, let us take 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, and if they are asking you to find the average, all you have to do is just add first and last number, that is 1 plus 9 divided by 2. So we are taking two numbers, right? So which is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5. So average is 5. Or you can just choose the middle number. So this is trick 1, and trick 2 is just choose the middle number. So you can use this trick only if they have given odd number of terms, right? So there are 5 numbers, so you can easily choose 5 as the average. Suppose if they are giving another number, that is 11, we cannot choose the middle number, right? So in that case you can use trick number 1. Similarly, for even number, let us take 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Using the trick 1, just choose first and last number. 2 plus 10 divided by 2 is equal to 12 by 2, that is 6. So 6 is the middle number, right? So 6 is the average. Using the trick 2 also, you can tell the middle number as the average. Yes, as I said in the previous case, if the number of terms given is odd, that is, see, 5 numbers are given, so you can choose middle number as the average. Suppose if they are giving 12, we cannot use trick 2. In that case you have to use trick 1 only, right? In this question we have 13 two-digit odd numbers, so we can easily tell the middle number, that is 7, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that is 47 is the average of all the 30 numbers. Using trick 2, we are solving this. Let us try trick 1. Add 35 plus 59 divided by 2. 35 plus 59 is equal to 94, divided by 2 is equal to 47, right? So in trick 1 also we are getting 47 as the average. Or let us add all these numbers. 35 plus 37 plus 39 plus 41 plus 43 plus 45 plus 47 plus 49 plus 51 plus 53 plus 55 plus 57 plus 59, you will get 611. So to find average, we have to divide it by 13. So 611 by 13 is equal to 47, right? So using the regular method also we are getting 47 as the right answer. Using the trick 1 also we are getting 47 as the right answer. Using the trick 2 also we are getting 47 as the right answer. So these are the tricks you can follow to find the average for this type of problems. So 47 is the mean of all the 30 numbers. Let us check that. Yes, option A, 47 is the right answer. With this, we are completing our lesson 12, average. This Saturday, we will have CSAT test number 3. Questions will be asked from all these 12 lessons: comprehension, average, time and work, speed, time and distance, clocks, calendars, coding and decoding, direction and distance, sitting arrangements, blood relations, ranking, and syllogism. If you haven't watched the previous videos, just go and watch. It is available in the playlist. I will send you the link to attend this online CSAT test number 3 in our Telegram channel on Saturday. You can attend the test from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. You can download the practice worksheet for this lesson in our Telegram channel in the evening. If you have any doubts or suggestions, you can leave them in the comment section or you can send them to our Instagram page. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. So with this, I'm concluding this video. See you in our next class.